So here we have our puppies. They're 3 weeks old. We have light pink collar right here. Then we got purple collar right here. And then we got, this is dark green collared boy. He's our smallest puppy. And then we got, yes, hot pink, we already got her. This is lime green collar. He's walking pretty good. There we go. Then we got blue collared male. It's blue collar. And then yellow collars right over here. That's a boy. Then we got white collar right here. That's a female. And then lime green collar, boy. That's blue collar. This is red collared female. She actually looks like she's going to be a long coat. And then we got light pink collar female. And then we got Haiti watching all the little critters. She's pretty intrigued by them. So that's it for today. I'm sure by the time that we videotape them next time, they're going to know how to walk pretty good. That's purple collar. Get.